Hello students, we are doing exercise 3.2. We are doing exercise 3.2 and we have already done the question number 1 to 4. Now today we have to do the question number 5. Today we have to do the question number 5 and the question number 5 says half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36. Find the dimension of the garden. Here we are having a rectangular garden and the relation between the length and width is given and a value of parameter. That half of the parameter is 36. It means the value of the parameter is given to us. So let us quickly do the question. The solution of the question is let the length is x and the breadth is y. So first of all, if we have to find out the dimension of the garden, so we have to make the equations that can be plotted on the graph. Now we have to make the linear equations. The first linear equation that is going to be formed is between, we are going to form that from the length and the width. The relation of the length and width which is given to us, we are going to form the equation from that. And what is given, the length is 4 meter more than its width. Means the difference between the length and the breadth is 4 and we are having x. If we have let x is a length and y is a breadth, then x is equal to y plus 4 because length is 4 meter more. So we have added 4 over here. So this is the equation 1. Now the second equation, we get it from the parameter of the rectangle. What is the parameter of the rectangle? Is p is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So what is given to us? Half of the parameter, p by 2. What is the parameter is? 2l plus p. So we have to do the half of this also. 2 से 2 cancel हो जाएगा. Then what will we get? Half of the parameter is 36 and L is x and p is y. So this is the second linear equation that is formed from the given question. Now what we are having here, now we are having the two linear equations x is equal to y plus 4. Before plotting these lines on the graph, we want the points. We will get the points from these linear equations. First I have taken the x is equal to y plus 4. I have put y is equal to 0. So x is 4. If I have put y is equal to 4, then 4 plus 4 is 8. So value of the x will be 8. Now come to the second one. Now if I have put x is equal to 0, so y will be 36 because when we are going to add 0 in any of the number, it will be the same number. And if we are going to subtract 0 from any number, so that number will be same. Now first time I have put x is equal to 0, so it means y is equal to 36. Second time I have put y is equal to 0, so I will get x is equal to 36. Now we have to plot these graphs on these points on the graph. So here is your graph. I have roughly put the points on the board. You are having a graph paper, so you can put it properly. I have taken the difference in the points of the 4, 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and all. And the y-axis also, this is my y-axis, this is my x-axis. And I have plotted, I have taken only the positive quadrant because my all points are positive. So my first point, my first line is x, y. X is equal to y plus 4 and the points are 0, 4 and 4, 8. Second line is x plus y is equal to 36 and the points, if x is equal to 0, y is 36 and if y is equal to 0, x is 36. The first line x 4 y 0. So here it is x4, y, the value of the y is 0. This is the point, this is, and when we are writing the points, we are always writing the first is the point of the x-axis. This is the second point, 8 and 4. This is 8 and 4. I have joined the 2 points and extended the line. The next is, we are having the second line, x plus y is equal to 36. The value of the x is 0, y is 36. The point is here. Because on the y-axis, the value of the x is 0. It is 0 and 36. And this point is 36 and 0. Means x, the value of x is 36 and y is 0. I have also joined these 2 points. And the dimensions of the garden. Dimensions of the garden will be the intersecting point of these 2 lines. As you can see, these 2 lines, they are intersecting each other at a point. And when I have plotted these on the x-axis, this is the 20 and this is 16. Suppose this is the A point. So what are the coordinates of the A point is 20 and 16. And these are the dimensions of the rectangular garden. Here it is x 20 and y is 16. X is your length and y is your breadth. So this is your question number 5.